first jump, it's only 5 meters.
Yeah.
16 meters the biggest. We're going to see that later. It's a waterfall day. Aling Aling.
Oh my God,
Take us to Aling Aling. We're off to Aling Aling Waterfall. Figuring out where this place is. Aling Aling Waterfall is the one in Bali where you jump off the cliff. So on the way up, we had time to ask some of the big questions. Have you been there before?
Never.
What do you want to do?
To go to the waterfall.
Did you bring your favorite bikini?
Yeah.
From who?
Babe cave.
Who's Babe Cave?
Who's Babe Cave? Who's Babe Cave?
And like any road trip, there's always a stop for some food.
Look, it's so small.
Let's eat a duri. Here's a surprise, the durian auntie. What's she bringing? What's she bringing? Oh, live with it. She's live with it. Oh. Hashtag durian. As we got higher, the air got fresher, and we were glad to get out of the car. What are we doing?
Sliding, we're gonna be jumping, we're gonna be
Sliding, jumping,
swimming.
dying, romantic retreat. You can take your bumble dates here. Only a 10-minute walk to the waterfalls from the car park. I like that. Yuta's gonna help us out too. So we scaled the steps and found ourselves in the midst of a mini paradise. Excited?
It's so cool.
Excited.
I feel like our butt is gonna get graded. I know, I don't want to.
Yeah, Maddie. Woo! Never try, never know. She's up. Good, Maddie. You're next, AmyLynn. Woo! Oh, show off. So we had to climb the steps then for this rock slide they talked about. Thank God I was wearing a life jacket. You get absolutely scratched up if you didn't. Loving it, AmyLynn. Where are we going? So the next jump was 8 meters. A bit of a test.
Dude, you jump and then you're like, oh my god, and then you hit the water.
A few girls need a little encouragement. Whatever, PE teacher. Wow, probably about an 8-meter jump. Where are we going next? 16 meters. Can I do it? I can do it. You guys gonna jump? No jumping? No jumping. Believe in myself. Believe in myself. I think the older you get, the more scared you get to risk things. Wait. Ready? Ready? Come on! There's plenty of spots just to do some modeling if you don't want to jump off the cliffs. So it's got something for everyone, as they say. No, do it again. Do it again. It's terrible. Mer woman. Babe cave. With the sun dipping, we realized we hadn't even seen the main waterfall yet. We haven't even done the ling-a-ling yet. So, with a 10-minute strut, we got there, and little did we know it was gonna be heaven.
Ling-a-ling.
We made it to Aling Aling Waterfall just before sunset. As you can see, there's a massive tree that has fallen down below. We're not allowed to go swimming in all its glory in the middle of the wet season. This place is magic.